Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for all your support. Really appreciate it. This package is actually coming from Kicks USA. Shout out to them. So let's get to it. And also, if you are not using Ebates, it's actually a website that actually gives you cash back for shopping online for a lot of online stores. I will actually put a link in the description. I actually used Ebates on this and actually got cash back. So this ended up to be, pretty much under retail then with the cash back. So there are some restrictions to the cash back. So you just have to read what it is for each store. But this one actually qualified for it. So again, this is from Kicks USA right there. And here they are. As you can see, it is. Oh, they actually have some, right there. So as you can see, this is a Air Foamposite 1 Premium. These are the Olympic USA colorway, and they are size 10.5. So suggested retail was $250. So it is a bit steep, but you get what you want. So, and colorway is Obsidian White, University Red, Metallic Gold, right here. Got the black Nike sportswear box right there. Got the Nike branding around the box. And here they are. Actually, this is the first time I'm actually seeing them in person. I've seen them in pictures. And these look clean. They look clean. Here they are. Just do a quick spin of the shoe. You got the gold hit right there of the pennies, 1-cent penny logo right there. You got the icy blue bottom, the herringbone traction. Got carbon fiber right there. And this white is more of like a matte finish on the white, so it's not like a shiny white. You got the gold piping down the tongue. You got the Nike swoosh. You get the red liner, and then the shoelace tips, gold right there. It's a clean colorway in my opinion. Again, you got, let me see if I can take this insole out. It's actually kind of tough, but you do have a 1-cent logo again inside. But again, clean colorway in my opinion, and it looked dope, so I had to grab them. So again, shout out to Kicks USA again for the quick shipment on this, because I actually got this a couple days ago, just haven't had a chance to actually unbox them. Alright, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Once again, if you're not signed up to Ebates, sign up at the link below in the description. You will save tons of money when you do shop online. Alright YouTube, peace.